Morning guys, so eto na, ilang days na natin yan naabangan and pinagtitrainingan, the Great UP Run 2024. It's already 4:05 in the morning. 4 AM daw yung assembly line and gun start would start at 5 PM. So chillax na lang tayo, abang-abang na lang tayo sa mga instructions. Let's go, dami ng tao. So yun, very excited. Di ako nakatulog kagabi. Nga pala, we registered for 10K, gun start ng 5 AM, tapos ng 7 AM. So, sana matapos natin on time or before. Let's go! We're about to start na. Assembly line. Yeah, let's go!
Ready? 4, 3, 2, 1.
Do this! 10K! I'm already on my 7 kilometer guys. Medyo madalim yung route, yung daanan, kaya di ko na video kanina. 3 kilometers na ako, let's go. Water station. Sarap. To go. Lapit na guys. Lapit na. Less than 2 kilometers left. Lapit na. Totoo na talaga, malapit na. Alam ko kanina malapit na, ikot pa pala. Visit. Let's go. Ayun na guys, malapit na. Ito na. Shit. Ito na, lapit na sa finish guys. 20 steps away. Yeah. Yeah boy. Done. 10K. Done guys, 10K. Thank you po. Nice. First medal, the Great UP Fun Run 10K. Let's go.